from Aliexpress. Look what you can get for $2. It's a 100 seconds button version. And what is it? It's a 30 seconds or 100 seconds recording sound, voice, music recorder, board, photosensitive, sensitive key control, programmable chip, audio module. And you can choose 30 seconds or 100 seconds. And I got it. Just to remind you, in my previous video I made about this module which record 10 seconds, but this time I get this version with 100 seconds of voice recording, and it says photosensitive sensitive key. What is it that? I don't know, we're gonna find out. On the specification it says that you can download the recorded files from the chip, and that is very nice. Also, this module works on 5 volts with using a micro USB cable, or you can use 3 button cell batteries. From this side it's a self-adhesive sticker, so you can place it somewhere. As I said, it has the micro USB for powering the device, 2 touch switches, one is for recording and one is for play. And it says on the instruction manual that you can solder right here a photoresistor and trigger the message. I'm gonna try that for sure. It's low quality PCB board. Just look how the microphone is soldered on the board. I don't like that, but what you can do, for $2 you can't receive a high quality product. Okay, let's turn on. Oh my god, that Chinese girl again. Play. What does it mean? I don't understand. Let's record a message now. Hold it. Now, test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the maximum of the message is 30 seconds. What does it mean? Over.
Now, test 1,
yes.
2, 3, 4, 5,
you
6,
can
7, 8, 9, 10.
You can record multiple recordings.
The message is 30 seconds.
Okay, let's do another. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for subscribing.
Now, test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for subscribing.
All the files recorded can be downloaded into your computer when you connect through this micro USB cable. Alright, let's record some music to see how is the quality of music. Let's listen the music that we recorded. Alright, it's decent quality. On the specification it says that when you can trigger the message if you connect these 2 points. Let's try it. Yes, you can trigger a voice message right here on these pins. Now I'm gonna try the photoresistor to trigger the message. Here I have an electronic component, call it photoresistor, and I'm gonna solder it right here where it says ALDI-air. And to see, we'll be triggered the message using this sensor. Okay. To mention, when you turn off the power or unplug the micro USB cable, the recorded messages will stay in the chip. Don't worry about that. Let's power up now. Nothing happens, but when detect the light, will trigger the message. Yes. Can you hear it? That is a nice feature. You can record as many voice messages you want, but the maximum memory is 100 seconds. Just to test one more time. Yes.
I like this module which can record voice memos or something else, and you can use it for your project.
And if you want to delete, just hold the play button for a couple of seconds and all messages will be deleted. What does it say? This Chinese girl, I don't understand. Okay, that was all for today's video, which was a nice presentation of this $2 voice recording module with triggering options like photoresistor. And okay. From Aliexpress, for $1.27 you can get this gadget. And you can choose whatever color you want. And what is it? It's a LED digital voltage current Hertz square indicator panel meter hole 22 millimeters with 0 to 100 amperes voltmeter ammeter frequency. Alright, and you can choose different colors. They are red, green, yellow, white and blue. I have ordered the white. I think that is cool color. $1.27 from AliExpress. This gadget will be cool. And I got it. And the product name is Digital Display AC Voltmeter, the model AD16-22FVAH. It says it measures the current range from 0 to 100 amperes, voltage range from 50 volts to 380 volts AC, frequency from 0 to 99 Hertz, ambient temperature minus 25 to 65 degrees, the humidity is 98%. Okay, error range with 5 volt. 5 volt error is normal. And you can see here the circuit diagram for wiring the load and measuring the current. Okay, let's power up this gadget now. Looking pretty. Here we have X1 and X2 connections. Here on these points we're gonna attach the main AC voltage. Here goes on this socket the current sensor, right there. Okay, now I'm gonna connect the wires. To mention that you need to be careful with this gadget because it's working with AC voltage, and AC voltage can kill you, so please do not try this at home if you don't know what are you doing. I'm showing to you what this gadget can do because I know how to wire AC circuits and I'm pretty careful with this. So please do not try if you don't know what are you trying to do. This is very dangerous and playing with AC voltage can hurt you. Plug in. Alright. We have voltage 235 volts. That is a little bit higher. Amperes 000 and the hertz are 50 hertz. Okay, and looking good. Next I'm gonna measure some current using this sensor. Okay, let me explain how I wire everything. We have AC main voltage, live and neutral connected on the panel meter, and here it is the sensor. The live wire go through the sensor and ends on the socket, and the neutral wire is not connected through the sensor, only the live wire. And here I'm gonna plug in a heat gun, and so we can see how much current is pulling the heat gun. For example, let's say. Okay. Turning on first speed. 4 amperes. And the second speed 7.7 amperes. Alright. Working fine. It's a 2000 watt heat gun, so let's do the math. At second speed was 7.8 amperes times 235, let's say. We have 1833 watts. It's pretty accurate. Alright. He's doing a great job. And this little panel with volts, with amperes and hertz for $1.27. It's cool. I tested and I like it. From Aliexpress, for $1 or 99 cents you can get this module. It's a ultrasonic sensor HC-SR04, and it's a ultrasonic wave detector ranging model. Distance sensor for Arduino, and it costs 99 cents, and it's free shipping. Look, free shipping to United States. Okay, and I ordered 2 of them. I got them. two pieces of ultrasonic sensor. Let's take a closer look. For those who is seeing this for the first time, it's a ultrasonic sensor for Arduino project. This one have 4 pins, positive, negative, trigger and echo pin. What is ultrasonic sensor? Ultrasonic sensors are based on the principle of sound waves, which are emitted by a transducer and then reflected when they are encounter an obstacle. These reflected waves are then detected by the sensor and used to determine the distance and the direction of the obstacle. Very cool module. I'm gonna show you very simple example of how to use an ultrasonic sensor, but you will need an Arduino Uno board or any kind of Arduino board and upload the code to the board. The code you can download it from the description below. It's a very cool example. And also you will need this kind of LEDs. These are programmable RGB LEDs. And here it is the schematic. From the Arduino board we have only 3 wires. The first wire go on pin 9 go to the trigger of the sensor. Pin number 10 go to the echo pin of the ultrasonic sensor. Also this sensor need to be powered by 5 volts ground and positive 5 volts, and RGB LED strip also need 5 volts plus and negative, and also the signal it's coming from the Arduino is on the pin 6. One more time to mention, you can download the code in description below for free. Now I'm gonna show it to you how it's working this. Okay, everything is connected. Here with my helping hands I'm holding the sensor, the ultrasonic sensor, and with the wires are connected on the Arduino Uno board, and from here the signal will go to the RGB LED strip. I'm using NeoPixel LED strip. And look, we have red, yellow, green, and this is about 50 centimeters. And this is amazing, it's working like a charm. Distance, you can measure the distance with these LEDs, and the ultrasonic sensor is measuring the distance between my phone and the sensor, and then indicates on the LED strip. If I remove it, it will detect the maximum distance. Good, I like it. Just to turn off the light so you can see better. Oh, this is nice. This is medium. I write in the code 25 centimeters for red light, plus 10 centimeters for yellow, and above 25 centimeters will be green LED. Amazing. I like it. I hope you liked today's project, which was using an ultrasonic sensor and Arduino Uno board and NeoPixel LEDs. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. In today's video I will show how you can make an easy Arduino project using this LCD Keypad Shield 1602 module display with blue screen or green screen for Arduino, and you can get it or find it on Aliexpress for $1.80. This one it's with blue screen backlight, but there is with green screen backlight. It's a very cool Arduino shield that you can make a very interesting projects. Here it is, mine. As I said, it's a shield that can be attached to the Arduino Uno board like this. But let me tell you some info about this module. Beside the screen right here with LCD screen, it have 2, 4, 6 push buttons. We have a select, left, right, up, down and reset. And for those who don't know what is a LCD keypad shield, it's developed for Arduino compatible boards to provide a user-friendly interface that allows users to go through the menu, make selection, etc. And it consists of 16 by 2 rows, white character or green, blue backlight LCD. The keypad consists of 5 keys: select, up, right, down and left. And reset, they forgot. So you take this LCD keypad shield, you attach it to the Arduino board like this. It's very simple. As I said, this thing costs around $2, and also you need to have an Arduino Uno board. The price for the Arduino Uno board is around $10. That is not cheap. And now it's ready. The only thing is to upload the code to the Arduino and make a simple project. And in today's video I will show you a couple of games that you can make it very easy. Just upload the code and start playing. Okay, let's upload the first code, which is very popular snake game. Okay, in description below I will put links so you can download all the files that you need and choose what game you want to install or program to the Arduino board. And here you can see a lot of cool games like Helicopter, Hangman, Jump, Pac-Man, Snake, Tetris. And for example, we want to open a snake, copy this file and upload it on the Arduino IDE software, and that's it. I have already uploaded the first game code, and that is a snake. Whoa, this is cool. You can choose level with up and down button, and when you want to play, just hit select. Here it is, the little guy. Alright, I miss it. Okay, and if you hit the wall, game over, score 3. This is nice. How many levels are they? 5. Let's try 5. I miss again. Oh, this is... Is there a pause? No pause. Just reset. Okay. Let's try the next game. Okay, let's select the next game, which is Tetris. Open the folder, open the code, waiting to be loaded into the Arduino IDE software, checking that it's Arduino Uno selected, and hit upload. Very simple, and you wait couple of seconds to sketch to be compiling and upload it to the board. Uploading, done. And that's it. Now you can play your game. Power on. And look how tiny it is. But it's working. Alright. Score 60. This is good. And this is cool. A tiny Tetris on LCD keypad shield for Arduino. Alright. Okay, next game. Pac-Man. Run, run. You need... This is cool. Game over. Why? Let's try again. Okay. You need to eat all the bricks. Next level. Yes. I'm gonna load the last game in today's video, and it's called Jump. Uploading, done. Here it is. Press start. Where to jump? Oh! I hit the wall. Come on, man, jump. This is cool. 15, 16 points. And the game is faster. Come on, man. No. Look what I ordered from Aliexpress. 90 cents, almost $1. What kind of module is this one? It's a MP3 decoder board, built-in amplifier, MP3 module, MP3 decoder, TF card, U-disc decoding player. Shipping $2.8, but the module is $1. And I got it. And I forgot, it's 45 millimeters by 35 millimeters, and I'm gonna weight the board 10.4 grams. Okay. For $1, I can't believe it, so many electronic components on one board for $1. Imagine if you need to change, for example, the 3.5mm jack to some device will cost $1, or the SD card slot, not the whole board. As I said, it's a MP3 decoder player with built-in amplifier, and here on this socket I will place the speaker. We have 4 push switches. It's previous, mode, next, and repeat. 3.5mm audio output for headphones. We have a micro USB for powering the board, SD card slot for reading MP3 songs, also female USB connector for plugging a memory, and here it says that can be soldered a 3.7 volt battery, rechargeable battery, but I'm gonna check that when its micro USB connector is plugged in. Does it give 5 volts or 3.7 volts? I'm gonna check that. Alright, let's test it now. First I'm gonna check these points for soldering a 3.7 volt battery. Will it give 5 volts or 3.7, or we have red light, turn it on and off. What does it mean? I don't know. With my multimeter I'm gonna check that. How many volts? 5 volts. What does it mean? That means if you want to, you can't use both of them in the same time. That means, or you can use the micro USB power, or you can use the lithium battery. Okay, now I'm gonna solder the battery and connect a speaker. Okay, this is 18650 lithium battery, 4.2 volts when it's fully charged. Positive and negative wires are soldered on the points where it says on the board battery plus and battery minus. Also on this connector I hook up a small speaker, so everything is connected, and let's test it. Oops, I will forget, there is no on-off switch on the board, so you need to add a main power switch to cut the power to the board. Okay, here it is, my micro SD card with MP3 songs, and right away it's playing. Alright, next. Okay, we have previous, next, play, pause and repeat. On the same previous and next, that is volume up and volume down. Alright, pause, play, we have a repeat. We had a 3.5mm audio output for headphones. Let's test that. On my headphones, you wanna hear it? Yes, they are working. It's great. Oh yeah! What is this? A jazz. Okay. Now I'm gonna try the USB. Of course it's working. And this is maybe the cheapest MP3 decoder board from Aliexpress for $1. And by the way, there is no charging integrated chip for the battery. You need an extra battery charger. This USB connector is just for powering the board. Alright. Very simple MP3 decoder board. I like it.